Welcome to Apps4Org. This video shows how to assign speakers to the session. To assign speakers to a session, add the speaker to the dashboard. To add a speaker, click the Speaker menu. Select the menu on the right side and click Add New. Enter the name, title, company, etc. and click Save. After adding the speaker, click the Schedule menu. For an existing session, select the menu on the session and click the Edit option. In the Session Editor page, you can assign the speakers, moderators, panelists, and chairpersons. Click Save. For a new session, select the menu on the right side of the page and click Add New. After adding the session title, date and time, assign the speakers, moderators, panelists, and chairpersons. Click Save. Thank you for watching the video.